Hello everyone, in the previous video we created a simple program with SVI. It consisted of a single file and implemented a basic calculator. In this video we'll make a small improvement. We'll refactor the project by splitting that single file into two separate files. This will demonstrate how to split a project into multiple files in SVI and how to define dependencies between them. First, I'll create a new folder for the core calculator functionality. I'll delete this source code file because we are going to regenerate it. Then I'll move the SVI file with prompt to the new folder. I don't need the cache at the moment, so I'll remove it as well. Now we have our first file. The second file we will place in the project root. I'll call it main.svi. Our entry point will remain main.js, while the calculator implementation will still be generated as calc.js. Since we are exporting a class, we can describe it in a dedicated output section. You could also write this in the main prompt, but using the dedicated section makes the intent clearer. We'll export a calculator class with an execute method. The execute method accepts an expression and as input and returns the calculated numeric results. It's not necessary to strictly follow the syntax, since this part will also be processed by AI. You can use human language instead. We can also describe the error handling. For example, if the expression is invalid, the method should throw an exception. That's all we need for the calculator. Now let's describe the main program. At this point, the AI model generating code from this prompt knows nothing about the calculator class, which is described in a separate prompt in a different file. To connect them, we simply add the generated file as a dependency. In this case, the dependency is calc.js. Once that file has been generated, SVI will reuse its declarations when generating this prompt, providing better context and producing more accurate results. Now we can start the generation. We run the command SVI run. Oh, I forgot one thing. Let's generate the calculator first. That should only take a moment. I also forgot to update the path because calc.js is now located in a subfolder. So I'll update the dependency to point to calc/calc.js. Now we can run the generation again. SVI scans the entire project each time it runs. Notice that it doesn't regenerate calc.js because it's already cached. The cache stores both the file hash and the declaration hashes. When you add a generated source file as a dependency, SVI extracts its public declarations and automatically includes them in the prompt. Now the main program has been generated and we can run it to verify that everything works. Let's try a simple example. Perfect, it works. In this video, we've seen how to use SVI to generate a project with multiple files that depend on one another. Thank you for watching.